Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's Tamara here, coming at you today with this bronze goddess, bronze beauty type look. If you're interested to see how I got it, just keep on watching. Alright guys, I'm starting off by priming my eyelids with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel. And I'm also going to go ahead and set my eyelids as well with my Mercier translucent powder. And I started with my eyebrows done as well because it takes too much time to do it on camera. And I'm just taking my good old faithful Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm taking the shade Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange, and I'm just putting those in my crease. Now I'm going into the Morphe 350 matte palette, and I'm taking a little bit more of an orange shade and putting that into my crease. Now I'm taking the shade Cypress Umber. What you want to do with that is you just want to pack that onto the outer portion of your eyelid and the inner portion of your eyelid, kind of making kind of like a halo. You just want to just continue to pack that onto your eyelid and blend that back and forth until you're happy with the results. If you see me dancing, it's because I'm jamming to Chloe and Halle's new album. I love it so much. If you haven't heard it, you should definitely go check that out. And again, you just want to continue just to blend. Blending is the key, you guys. You don't want any harsh lines. And you just go back and forth with those two colors, the burnt orange and the raw sienna, and blend that as well. And then afterwards, I just take a makeup wipe and kind of clean up, all the fallout, so it makes for a sharper edge. And here I'm just taking some clear mascara from e.l.f. and setting my eyebrows. And now here I'm taking this NYX mixing medium, and what that does is it just gives you a base that you can put glitters and shimmer shadows so that they don't transfer. It just helps them to stay in place. So I just pack that onto my eyelid with a flat brush. And then I'm going in with the Morphe 350 shimmer palette. I'm sorry guys, these don't have names. I'm trying my best to point, to which shade I'm using. But I used the bronze shade in that palette to give me the look that I was going for. And now here I'm just taking a moment to color correct. I'm taking the Peach Lustre shade from MAC. And here I'm taking the Badescu Rosewater spray and spraying my face. For foundation today, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 355 Coconut, and this is in the Dewy and the Smooth one. But I also do mix the matte and poreless one as well. I really just mixed like 3 different foundations here because I didn't realize that one of them was so dark. And here I'm just spraying my flat top brush with, again, some Badescu Rosewater spray. And I am blending that foundation into my skin. And you just really want to take your time doing this. And then I also just take my Real Technique sponge and go over that again just to make sure everything's, again, nicely blended. And I also put on lashes off camera as well. And I think those are Kiss lashes in the style Little Black Dress. And here I'm just taking my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Golden and just highlighting under my eyes, forehead, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. And again, just taking my Real Technique sponge and blending that out. I'm just taking my time to blend that out because I don't want any creases under my eyes when I am ready to set. And now I'm taking my mixture of powders, which is the Laura Mercier translucent powder and the Makeup Revolution banana powder, and taking a makeup wedge, cosmetic wedge, and just setting everywhere that I highlighted. I'm not going to let it sit for too long because you guys know I have dry skin, so I'm just going to kind of press that in with a fluffy brush and press it in and swipe away the excess. And then I'm going to take my Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC in the shade Medium Deep and just go over my entire face with that. You don't want that white cast. And I'm just going to spray my face with some Flix Plus. And I'm taking the Cream Contour palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just going to contour the hollows of my cheeks. You can just use whatever shade you prefer to use to contour. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my Real Technique sponge. And then I'm taking my NYX matte bronzer in the shade Deep Tan, and I'm just going to contour with that and bronze up my face. And again, this is the Anastasia powder contour kit, and I'm just taking that to contour my nose. And here for blush, I used a blush from NYX that's called Mauvin It Out. And this is Sephora Perfection Mist in Nude Glow. And then to highlight on top of that, I am taking the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek and Glow Up. It's from the Carucci collab. And on top of that, because you know I'm extra, I'm going to use both of my Diamond Glow powders, the collab with Jackie Aina, the LaPeach and the LaBronze. So I'm just laying those on top of each other. And here I'm just putting Cypress Umber in my lash line, just to bring everything together. And I'm going to spray my face with Pixi Glow Mist. Any mascara that you have will work. I'm just taking that to put on my bottom lashes and to blend my false lashes with my real lashes. And then for lips, I line my lips with Roasted Coffee from Kiss New York. And then I use 2 of Rihanna's Mademoiselle lipsticks, Shoddy and Spanked. Shoddy all over my lips and then just spanked a little bit in the middle. And then I went over that with Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb. And that's the final look, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. As you can see, I'm kind of feeling myself just a little bit. But yeah, just enjoy the slow-mos. And as always, leave your comments and feedback in the comment box below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.